Okay, this is my best sound. Here we go. Na 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 na. Now sun. Dun 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 dun. Oh God, God. Sorry. Okay, I don't know Jevon's phase 1. Let's do phase 3. Now we're done with that. Vanilla. Oh wait, Clucker. Okay, now Vanilla. Laddie, get out of here. Okay. Decapitated. Now that's all. But first, our last one. What is it? I think we should do a taser. Should tase them. Okay, I really hate. Try my hated one. I hate Vanilla. The hair, I just can't stand it. Get shocked. Get shocked again. Get shocked, bro. Wait, she's a girl. Get shocked, you woman. Okay. Now, I want to see if they're shock test. Let's see. Let's go down here. Alright, this may hurt. And it's not that bad. Okay. Mr. Sun, it's your turn. Oh! What the? Too easy! Oh, what happened? Oh no. Ah! Daddy, you're just mad, so no more being mad. Take this. Wait. Let's try. Well, I'll shoot. Oh, that's good. What are these controls? Okay, here. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro got hanged. Okay, now for blood. Not the head. Got decapitated. Why? It's like Clucker. Yeah, he got. Alright, now we're done with that. Oh shoot. Oh no. Wait. I'm gonna just spawn in. Holy. This is a really good guy. Look at this. Look at him. Oh. He's falling apart. Oh no. How about some Tetris? Okay, that's okay. Well, now this one it can do well. Oh no, whatever done. Boom! Now we are starting the game. Let's go. Blah. Put it here. Let's see. Let's put it up. Whoa! Yeah, just do some random things. Come on, do something. Wait, what? Wait, no, wait, that can't be possible. What the hell is that? Ew. Okay, I think I had enough. Oh, wait. Oh, let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh, okay, he's not cooking. Now we are gonna spawn in the big one. No, it's just second big one, but it can move. Mecha Godzilla. Okay, very big entrance. Wait. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I'm done.